If you're new to my channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Before we get into the video, I just want to give a shout out to Yogin for sending me this amazing humidifier. Here I am unboxing it. It's very nice and a great size, so you can fit it in a variety of places, whether that be on your counter, on a side table, on your nightstand. Packaged inside with the humidifier is an adapter and cord to plug it in. It also comes with an essential oil bottle. The setup process is super simple. You just plug in the cord and then fill it with water and add in your oils. There is a fill line that gives you the max amount that it can hold. I chose not to use the essential oil bottle that came with it. I just put the oil directly in the water. As y'all can see, there's 4 buttons along the bottom. The first one is the power button. The second button is the timer button. It has several settings for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and even a cycle control function. The third button is for the lights, my favorite. It has 8 colors that rotate in a gradient mode, and to put it on a single color, you just press that button twice. The fourth one is the fragrance button. I decided to put the humidifier in my room on my nightstand, and it's definitely a vibe. I slept so well with my peppermint fragrance. Use my code Aaliyah for 15% off at checkout.